Pag hinarang mo yan, magkakaroon tayo ng repercussions sa the country. Pag hinarang mo yan, magkakaroon tayo ng repercussions sa the country. Pag-aaralan pa rin namin kung anong pwedeng gawin. We will study the possibilities of or the implications of dealing with the Interpol on this matter. But we are not in the business of blocking the Interpol's job. I can confirm what Sojourn Guevara said, that there was a request. We knew about it, but of course, because it was marked confidential, we kept it confidential within the department. Hindi namin nilalabas yan dahil yun ang request ng ICC. Preferably face-to-face interviews ang hinihingi ng ICC with these people. But we are not there in the business of informing these people that the ICC will talk to them because we are not members of the ICC. We just note such requests as a government.